Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to watch adult videos on YouTube. So the first thing you're going to do is launch YouTube, and then go over from home to You page, then go over to settings. After that, click on general, then scroll down and you're going to see restricted mode. So if you enable this, it will make sure that you don't see any adult or mature videos. So if you want to see them, just disable it and you would be able to see any adult videos that are on YouTube. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.